So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight text here in Google Slides. So first thing you have to do is add some text to your design here in Google Slides. So just go to the top bar right here and three options over from the right. Go ahead and press on the plus icon, then press on where it says text right here. Once you have some text, we're just going to type in the word highlight for simplicity's sake. So as you can tell, it's actually pretty small right now. So first off, if you want to make it bigger or change the to the middle, we're just going to go ahead and press on it, maybe center it a little bit more. Then we're also going to go to this top bar right here, and where there's the plus icon as well as the play icon. There's an A with a underline. Simply just go ahead and press on that. Now, first thing we're going to do is just make it a little bit larger so that it's easier to see the text. Now, if you want to add a highlight to it, it's pretty straightforward as well. Scroll down to where it says highlight color right here. So as you can tell, there actually is a white circle with a red slash through it. That means that there's no highlight added, but if you just simply press on that, you can go ahead and highlight whatever color you want. So if you want to do maybe a yellow highlight, you can do that, add a yellow highlight. You can do a red, add a red, whatever the case may be. You can kind of get creative and do whatever one you want. But that is pretty much the straightforward process of how you guys can highlight text here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.